7.
So guys, what's up today? And we are doing train spotting with my friend over there. Yeah, his name is, well, you know, let me think, what is it? The Transport King. So there's going to be some trains around, so I'm sure it's going to be a 380 or something. I don't know. So guys, this is a 380 heading down. Heading to, I can't really see it right now, but it'll probably be heading to, like, well, I'm sure it's the Johnson, but
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to a member of staff
it's heading down
or
here.
British Transport Police.
See what this train is. It's a 380 heading to Glasgow Central.
Say it, sorted.
It's my friend there. Subscribe to him. His name's the Transport King. So it's a 380 008 heading down to Glasgow Central. So it's just to subscribe to my channel just to keep updated. This is sick. Right, the train is just departing now. Let's just give him a wee wave to see if there's a honk. No, not usual. But taking it all the way down to here. 388 going to Glasgow Central. So, yep, that is it. So, right, let's go for the next train. So there's a 385 heading down here to Johnston around, so it's heading up here. I might be on this track side, I don't know. I have no clue. But I've got my friend over there, so don't want to say anything. I mean the train. It's probably going to be coming from this way. Because we did just go past Johnson over there, so probably will be going this way. I don't know, so yeah. There's a 7-carriage train just about 30 seconds away from us. It's coming down in platform 4, so this is platform 4 here. Let's see him. Right, it's a 380, another one, and 380 116. Okay, no way. It is heading down to, I didn't really get to see it there, but I'm sure it is Johnston. Formed of 7 carriages. What a beautiful train. See if we can. So it is heading down to, it's not heading to Glasgow Central, that's at least what I know. It is Johnston it's heading to, so it is the 380 116 heading down to Johnston station, you know, so in Scotland, so right, it's just heading now. It's got that really annoying squealing sound. Right, it's just departing. It's heading to Johnson, I'm sure. Right, the train is heading from platform 3. I'm sure it's another 380, it might be a 385. So far we've had most 380s, but I'm sure this one is a 385. It's just going to come down from platform 3 down to here. So I might just give him a wee wave, something, possibly. See if he is a good driver, because, yeah, I don't know why I always say that, but, you know, I just always say it. It's just coming down platform 3 down here, so, yeah. Right, she's doesn't really just stay back, so it's just coming down in a minute, and another train a minute behind will be coming down here, so, yep, we will see it come down. It is a 380, I can hear it just, oh, there's a car, okay. So the people are blocking the way, so we will just wait till it comes down. heading down there. So just stay behind the yellow line. Some people are not doing that, so lawbreakers. Right, it's just heading over now. It's up here. You can see it well because I can't see it from my POV. So that's it there now. Yep. Here it is. It is another 380. Oh, is it? Yeah, it's another 380. It's the 380 110 110. Let's just give him a wee belter. Lots of people going in that train. And it will be heading to Glasgow Central as normal, so yes, it will be heading all the way down to there. Glasgow Central's just down there. So right, the next one will be coming is just right now, literally. It's coming down platform 2 here. I'm sure that's at least what Zach said. So 380 110 has just departed, and sadly I did not get the honk because he was just waving at it. So yeah, it's just gonna be coming here right now. It's right here. So this is the another 380. Wow, they're always 380. I'm looking for 385. That's probably the most rarest ones ever right now. So it's right here. It's a 380 020. So we're just gonna wave at him, see if we can get a honk honk. Nope, he's got his blinds done. No, okay, that is strange. And it is heading to, I wonder what, Glasgow Central probably. So let's just view it. It is probably the Glasgow Central, I meant. So, yep. And I will do another video when it departs. Right, it is departing now. Heading to Glasgow Central. Wow, that's about 8 carriages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is it. Or possibly 9 carriages. That's a lot. That's a very fast train. 380 is probably my favourite train. Right, the next train will be just in about 5 minutes. So usually it's 4 minutes, but this time it's going to be 5. It's going to be going down. Sure, this platform to be 3 minutes. Okay. Right, guys, this is a 3 carriage. Hopefully a 385, because all it has been is 380. It's been a little bit annoying, but there is a 385 just heading down. It's going to be down platform 3, so yep. It's only about 1 minute away, so yep.
Information announcement.
Do not want most resources for them. And it will be going to Glasgow Central. It is here now. It's over here. It is a 380 heading to Johnston. It's a 380. That kind of sucks. Let's give him a wee wave. See if we can. Oh, he's giving us a wave! Yay! This is a 380 heading down to Johnston. I didn't get to see the last 3 numbers. It will be in the back though. It's a 380 006 going to Gorok. Oh, okay. That is. It definitely said at the front it was going to Johnston. So, right, there's a lot of people going in that train. So, yep, we are just, maybe if you guys didn't get to see the pictures, but we are at Paisley, Gilmour Street. So, yes, if you guys want to visit here, it's in Scotland. Paisley, Gilmour Street. Yeah, it is. I'm not even lying. It's stacked with trains usually. So I remember when I went here when I was younger, and I was absolutely stacked. There were some trains that went speeding down, but every train stops here now because it's basically just a Grand Central. So you can just agree with that. So we've never even seen a 385, disappointingly, and it's like all the trains stop here. We've not seen anyone that doesn't stop here. The next train will be in just 4 minutes and 50 seconds. So it's just departing now. 380-006 departing.
This train is fond of 6 carriages.
Right, this one has 6 carriages, which is a lot. There it goes.
55 ScotRail service to Marks.
It's going platform 4.
This train is fond of 6 carriages.
Fond of 6 carriages heading down this lane down here. So, yep. It's going to be another 380, which is disappointing. Yep, there it is. Zoom into it. Yep, that is a 380. Right, let's give him a wee wave. No? No? No, shaky, shaky. It's heading to Garrick, sure. So it's another 380, as always. Hopefully we'll be seeing a 385. So this is a 380 departing from Paisley Gilmour Street. It's just, jeez, sounds just quite nostalgic. So the next train will be coming from, I seriously can't remember. Yeah, it will be coming down this line, I'm sure. Right, so there's a train heading down here. It's hopefully it's a 385 instead of a 380. It is only formed of 3 carriages. Heading down platform 2. That's platform 1, platform 2, platform 3, and platform 4. Just to keep you guys up.
Platform 2 is the 1501 ScotRail service to
Oh,
This
1501.
3 carriages.
Yep, 3 carriages. Heading down this lane. It's coming down for the platform 2. Hopefully we can see it. Oh, yep, it's there. I can see it, but you guys maybe can't. Okay, I can see it now. Let's give it a wave. Hey! Give it the wee honkers! It's a 380, sadly, 380-002, heading to Wemyss Bay. Okay, that sounds quite wild, so, yep. I don't know how I've done that. Right, the 380-002 going to Wemyss Bay. It's just departing now, I'm sure. It's been here about for a minute now. Seriously. Yeah, people are staring at me like, what the heck is he doing? So, make sure to go press that subscribe button. Oh, it's just departing now. going to Wednesday. It's the 380-002. Jeez, this guy doesn't even know how to use a train, I don't think. Well, I can't say no because I don't know how to do a train. Oh, here's a train. But because I'm not a train driver, I'm only just turning 10. So, it's going now. Right, it's a 380-104, just heading down here. It is going to let's just take a wee double check. That's it, that's I can't really see, but yeah, I can see from the back of the train. What, I don't know what this train's formed of, like carriage. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carriages. Yeah. So the next train will be a 385, I'm definitely sure. So, yeah, if you were staring at me because I'm recording on my iPad. Seriously. So, yeah. Right, the train is just departing. It's the 380-104 going to Glasgow Central. As normal. Don't know how I'm doing that. So, just departing now. Let's just see this really cool depart. The parts are usually the same. Right, next train will probably be a 385. So guys, maybe in about 2 days, maybe, probably not. Soon about next week we might be doing another, train video, train spotting video. Oh, it's been delayed. Wait, so has this train been delayed? Or is it the other train? Well, that's not normal. Been delayed. So is it gonna let the passengers out then? Yeah, train's been delayed. 'Cause it's not moving. Keep you guys updated. Don't know what's going on. It's just... Oh no, they're just letting those people out, just went in over there. Right, it should be going now. The next train has been delayed, person said. Like the AI voice. So it's not been this train that's delayed because it's just they were letting other passengers in because... Right. Should be going now. Right, he's putting his train on. Can't see him through this. 380-104 it's just going to Glasgow Central. Give us a wee wave there. Right, so the next train's been a delay, so the next train will be coming in 8 minutes. Next train's coming in 8 minutes. What a disappointment, because the other one's been delayed, so yeah. That's not good. It's been 8-minute delay. So yeah. Right guys, sorry today. This is our last two trains that we will be doing. It's another 380. Nah, that's sad. The 380 is coming down from platform 3. There's another down here going down to platform 2. It is the 380-011 going to Garnick. Going down to Garnick. I never knew there was a train station in Garnick. Well, hopefully it starts in time. Probably will though.
that doesn't look right, speak to a member of staff or technically transport police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it.
So long train. How much carriages? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. That's nice. Right. This is our last train. Well, not this one, but this next one. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video so far. This is my first video. So, right, it's just departing now. So let's just watch us depart. Right, it's 011 departing, going to Garnick. Right, the next train that is coming is another 380. I'm definitely thinking it is. So, yep. And if you guys forgot what the station is, signs up here. It's the Paisley Gilmour Street. If you guys live somewhere near Scotland, you can visit this place because it's absolutely stacked. A 380 going down platform 1, second one at platform 1 for today. It's formed of 3 carriages, our last train for today. And it might be going down to this way. Don't know what Mrs. Baby's doing. Surrounding me in circles like a shark. Oh, I see which way is it coming from. Could be this way. No clue. Right, it's going to be down platform 1, so at least we know it's done this way. This is platform 1 right here. So, right, it probably will be coming up from here to here.
The train now approaching platform 1 is the 1517 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central. This train is formed of 3 carriages.
Up here is our last train for today. Oh! It's a 385! It's a 385! Oh no, it's not a 385. It's a... Oh, I wonder what that is. Guys, we finally got a different train. Let's give him a wee wave.
That is a different one.
It is going to Glasgow Central. It is the 320. Surely. Jeez, that gave me a fright. Thanks for what So it is going to Glasgow Central. Like that honk gave me a nightmare. Look at this. Guys, our last train was finally a different train. Okay, that's departing quick. That's an old train. It's got some rust. Alright, should be just departing now. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is our last train. It is the 320, I'm sure. I have no clue. Okay, let's just focus on the train. Right, it's just moving now. Stay away from it. Holy crap. No? Right guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And make sure to like and subscribe if you like my content. Oh, there's another train here. This might not be our last train then. It is 380, 103. 103. It's a 380, 103 heading to Glasgow Central. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and make sure to like and subscribe to keep updated. and I will see you maybe this next week. Right, there's this. I'll just give you guys another wee one last more minute. So yeah, there's another wee train just heading down here. I'm sure it's the same train that we just saw right there. It's going to Gurok. It's a 320, that's one, I'm sure. So fingers crossed, guys. It's a 320. Can't really see because of quality. Oh, it's here. It's a 320. Let's go. Right, the 320 going to Gurok. The flip is this music? I did not put this music on, guys. I am not lying. So it is coming down from platform 2. Let's give him a wee wave. See if we can get a wee honkers. Wee pose on his phone, I'm sure. Pay attention. The 320 going to Gurok. Wow. So this will be our last train, so I'll see you later. And we will actually be seeing this depart right now. So let's just run over here. Right, this is the 320 going to Gurok. Hopefully it's not on his phone this time. I'm not sure if this is a 320. It's a 318. Right, this time he wasn't this one. Right guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe if you love this video. And next week we'll be posting some more. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the like for support. Beautiful.